my channel, guys, and today we are going to take a look at the AirPod Pro third generation. I picked up one pair this morning, and I was kind of busy. That's why it took me a little longer to make a video on this. But as we can see right here, the AirPods with MagSafe charging case. So we are going to open this and review these, and also we're going to compare with the AirPod Pro, which I have the AirPod Pro as well. So we are going to compare with the AirPod Pro and the third generation. So as you guys can see right here, this box does not have the plastic on it. It's just the two tabs right here, as you guys can see, just like iPhone 13, the box. And we are going to compare these two, AirPod Pro and AirPod third generation, and let's see what's the difference. So the first thing we're going to start is we're going to open this box. To open it, just peel these two tabs, and just like that. And once you take those two tabs off, just like that, as you guys can see, it came out of the box. So from the beginning, as you guys can see, there's paperwork designed by Apple in California. And what do we have in there? We got AirPods, some instructions, and as we can see right here, I don't know why Apple include all this paperwork. It's just a weight. And I think we do have the, nope, we don't have the Apple sticker. I don't know, nobody reads these, so I don't know why they always include these in there. So let me put this on the side. And next, as you guys can see, we get straight to the AirPod third generation. So we're gonna take the cover off, just like that. Set that on the side, and let me put this right there, and I'm gonna look in the box in the bottom. So if we take this off, with this we get the charging cable, as you guys can see, and this is going to be type C to lightning cable. There's no brick, but just the cable, as you guys can see right here. So you guys probably already know what this look like. So we're gonna set the box on the side, and we're gonna look at the AirPod third generation. As you guys can see right here, the size compared to the AirPod Pro is slightly, I thought it was gonna be bigger, but it's slightly, to me, it looked like smaller. As you guys can see, if I put it next to each other, as you guys can see right there, AirPod Pro is a little bit bigger, the case, and as you guys can see right here, but design is exactly the same, as you guys can see right here. There's writing on the back right there, if you guys can see it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this, and now if we open this up, this is the moment we are wearing on. So if we open this up, as you guys can see, it's completely different design. I mean, to me, it kind of look the same, but just a little bit different, as you guys can see. So if I open up my AirPod Pro, as you guys can see right here, this right here is a little longer, and this one is a little smaller right here, as you guys can see. But the biggest difference is that you won't be able to get the noise cancellation with the third generation. As we take these out, and right here, so this is the left side, so there's a symbol, it says left side. So we don't have the tip, the plastic tip, the noise cancellation. We do not have that. And but the one thing we get with this is the the edge on the side is a little smaller compared to AirPod Pro. So let me take that out. So as we can see, if we compare it, it's kind of like smaller right there. So on AirPod Pro, we have the plastic tip like this one, but with the third generation does not come with that. So as you guys can see, that's what it's like. Everything else the same, only that's the different. And now as for the right side, as you guys can see, it's the same thing like this. And yeah, so this is really to me look the same, just like AirPod Pro, but I don't know how I'm gonna like the without the tip, but I will be testing that, and I will be making a follow-up video on that. But as you guys can see, everything else kind of similar to AirPod Pro. So now what we're going to do, we're gonna look at the what this does. So this is my iPhone 13. Oh, give me 1 second. Let me pull up the Apple website, and we're gonna look at compare these two. So as you guys can see right here, the AirPod third generation. So it's a Magic, and you got a spaces audio, spatial audio, and then as you guys can see right there, and there you go. So this is the look. Adopts EQ that turn music to your ears, and just like that is the animation. And now the battery is just like the Apple claims that battery is life is longer and charge up to in a snap. And as you guys can see, and the longer battery life that change up in the snap. And also, let me go down to, let's see. So with this, you can do you heard it here first, HD voice quality for FaceTime. Then you got how to use the controls. You probably already know, just like we have on all the other AirPods. And then, as you guys can see, this is what I want to show you guys. Up to 6 hours of listening time with one charge, or up to 30 hours for 30 hours of total listening time with the case. So if you have a fully charged case, you can listen to music up to 30 hours. This is massive. This is really good news. And also you have more down here. And also the big one is to aim AirPods here with your Find Mine, as you guys can see right there. Now you can find the AR. I didn't customize my AirPods, so as you guys can see right here. So compare to AirPods and AirPods third generation, we can see we have spatial audio with the dynamic hair track, sweat and water resistant, and MagSafe wireless and lightning charging. And as you guys can see right here, 5 hours up to 5 hours of listening time with the single charge. And the third generation give you up to 6 hours. And so yeah, I mean, this is really awesome. And also as you guys can see, 4.5 hours up to 4.5 hours of listening time with the single charge, but the third generation gave you up to 20 hours of single charge. So now we're gonna test the MagSafe. I'm gonna show you guys. So let me bring this over here. So this is my AirPod Pro, which is already on the MagSafe, as you guys can see right there. And durability is really strong, as you guys can see right here. It fall. So now this is the AirPod Pro. So now we're gonna test the third generation, how strong this sticks to it. So as you guys can see right there, it's not that strong, but if you hold it, it won't fall, just like that. But if you shake it, it will fall off the MagSafe. But as you guys can see right there, let me do it again. Right there, it's charging. So it works with the MagSafe, and this is really awesome so far. I like it, but I will be making a follow-up video on how it is set in your ear, and how stay in your ear and everything, and how fast they fall off and everything. So just stay tuned, and just because of that, if you guys want to see the follow-up video, now is the best time for you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys don't miss that follow-up video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.